Hey y'all, it's your girl Kalia. Let me fix my shirt. Let me try it again. Hey y'all, it's your girl Kalia, and I'm back with a part 2 of moving to Atlanta on a budget. Cause honey, we bougie on a budget, okay? So I want to give y'all some more tips. I'm so excited to say that my video has been doing very good since I posted it. It's one of my most viewed videos, and I'm really excited that you guys enjoyed it. Continue to give me feedback, but without further ado, let me go ahead and get into the video. I want to say thank you so much to everybody who's been subscribing to me. I really appreciate it. I think now I'm at like 229. Okay, go ahead and get your girl to 250. What's really good. I'm going to be talking about some extra things that I did mention in the first video that's also very important when you're moving to Atlanta. As you guys know, I was born and raised here, so I kind of know like the get arounds and streets, so I kind of know a few tips. Got a few tips up my sleeve. So the first thing I want to let y'all know is, I know people they like to ask, what is your special, what's your lowest rate? And I just want to let y'all know a little secret. Most apartment communities have the best rates in the month of December. Now, I'm not sure if this is just because people don't want to move because it's cold, or Christmas time just came up and then they spend all their coins, but I've noticed that it's a pattern with a lot of apartment communities. They have their lowest rates in December. So you may want to take a look at that, look into that, and see, you know, what you can find. You may have to move in December when nobody else wants to really move. You would think there would be more people coming in because it's, you know, the new year, but a lot of people move in November so that they can be settled for Christmas and everything like that. Thing is, I know this sounds funny, but ignore reviews. And this is gonna be kind of like this statement is not really, it's true, it is not true. Like, I say ignore reviews just because a lot of people tend to only write reviews when they're upset, but when the service is excellent and great, they don't write anything. So it can't really, sometimes when you look at reviews and you're like, oh, they have a 3.2, it's only a reflection of the mad people and not the people who have actually gotten great customer service. The only things that I would not ignore is like roaches, cause honey, we in the South, okay? Don't think you coming down here and you gonna be bug free, okay? You gonna have to find you a bug free apartment. They not just gonna be there, you gonna have to find them. So with that being said, you may want to check out the reviews. If they say they have roaches, like, people don't lie about roaches, okay? Because that's a no-no. I hate them. Like, they make my skin crawl. And I actually worked at some communities that had roaches, and it was just like, people would come in and they'll be like, does this apartment have roaches? Or like, I read some reviews and it said that you guys have roaches. If the review said that we had roaches, then, I mean, what do you want me to say? You want to hear it from my mouth or what? It has it. I'm not going to lie to you. They're going to be meeting you at the door. Okay? You turn your lights on and boom, 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 they having a party. The older the apartment community is, the more you tend to have problems. So usually when it's like older than 15 years, 20 years, you are going to have problems and you're going to have to call in and put in maintenance requests. If you see that you have like people complain about maintenance not doing their taking care of their issues, that's another red flag. But other than like that, people will write reviews about the office staff is very mean, they wouldn't, because of a specific situation. And I really don't pay attention to those reviews because I know that, you know, sometimes people can do things out of frustration or just being in the moment. The next thing I want to talk about is ask for specials. A lot of times, well, I won't say a lot of times, but sometimes the special won't be mentioned. I'm sure you've heard, if you're planning on moving to, sorry, I'm a little out of focus. Okay. The next thing is, I'm sure if you are looking to move to Atlanta, you have seen like a lot of people say that traffic is bad, and they're not lying. They're not. Times where I leave out 50 minutes before work and I'm still late. Why? Because everybody wants to move to Atlanta, and that's fine. Like, I welcome you. At the same time, be prepared for traffic, because just like you are looking to move to Atlanta, there's thousands of other people who are looking to move to Atlanta, and traffic is getting crazy, okay? You want to calculate the distance from your job to your home, from your home to your job. And then you want to add 20 minutes on there. Add 20 minutes. It don't matter if it say 50 minutes. It doesn't matter. Like, if you're going to be working and it says without traffic that it's like 30-40 minutes, you're gonna be a good hour over an hour if you have to cross over like 85 to 85 like to get here, y'all. But when I tell you, the traffic is no joke. So if you come from a small town or a place where it's not really much traffic, be prepared and get ready, because it's crazy here. It's crazy. Like, it's so crazy. I will be getting off an exit and I can't get off the exit. I'm still on the highway because there's so much traffic backed up. So be prepared. That's all I got to say. Like, I'm used to it. You get used to it over time. If you have to be at work at 9 and you stay in Marietta and you going to Atlanta, you need to stay. You need to go ahead and like leave an hour beforehand so you can be on time. And that is all for this video, y'all. I hope y'all enjoyed it. I'm so sorry that it is late. I was supposed to put a video up yesterday, which was actually Sunday, and today is Tuesday. So hopefully this video will be getting posted Tuesday. Like, it takes me a minute to edit, but that's okay. I think that's it. And if you guys have any questions, comment them below. I'm actually making a second channel, which I think I mentioned in my last video. Maybe link it below if it's made by the time this video gets posted. It'll be everything besides business. So it's gonna be beauty, lifestyle. Life will be like more for like business, for houses, for apartments, anything real estate related, anything like credit related is gonna go on this channel. And then my new channel is more of a get to know me, because I don't feel like my personality comes through my business videos as much as it could, because it's about business. All right, y'all, but that's it. I'm gonna talk to y'all later. Thank you for all of the subscribers. Thank you for watching.